Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add overlay editing pack using CapCut PC. To get started with adding an overlay video in CapCut, the first thing you need to do is create a new project. Once the new project is created, you'll need to import your videos or images. Click on Import right here. Now that I have my videos ready, I can drag them down to the timeline. If needed, I can trim the video by dragging the edges to make it smaller. Once you have your first video in the timeline, you can overlay your second video by simply dragging it down and placing it above the first video in the timeline. This places it on its own track. However, you'll notice in the preview that you can only see the top video. To view the video below, you have two options. First, you can go to the preview window and drag the corners to adjust the size of the top video. This allows you to move the overlaid video anywhere on top of the other. Additionally, you can adjust the video by selecting the blend option. You can increase or decrease the opacity if you want to make the overlay more subtle, or can choose any of the mode available. Here, I will select the Brighten overlay. That's how you add an overlay video in CapCut. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.